Hello, hola, this is Aesun Kim. I'm an artist and a researcher and educator in the field of wearables and fashion tech area. So today actually I'm reading my gesture drawing workshop. This is about researching about gesture communication code from the different culture and different origins, that comparing their differences and similarities. So I already leading this workshop in Austria and South Korea and UK, and from their gesture code it was quite interesting that how they use their body language as their communication tool. So now I'm in Spain, so I'm quite looking for how do you guys to express your guys gesture expression. So let's get started. Okay, so before to start, I briefly introduce the material that what we need today. So basically what we need today is the one, okay, so we need this cotton gloves to draw our gesture drawing. So this is cotton gloves that, yeah, it's very cheap and also can find anywhere. And also we need this conductive thread. But if you guys don't have a conductive thread, no worries. We can also use this copper tape instead of the conductive thread. Or in really a worst case, if you don't have anything else, then you can also use the foil or when you're making some cook. So that's all. And also we need LEDs. This is the LED that using for the wearables. So it already had a hole to easy to sew. But if you don't have this LED, then you also can use this normal LEDs that just having two legs, and you can manipulate like to making a hole between them. Also we need the needles and then also pen to draw our gesture and scissors. So okay, so first you guys try think about what kind of gesture you want to communicate. For example, in my case, I wanted to have this gesture, and actually in my culture this gesture meaning is love. So I wanted to make if I made this gesture and then the LED light comes out. So my communication, my gesture communication is going to be an interaction method. So okay, so when I wear this glove and making this heart sign, then LED light comes out. So that's it. So let's start. So first, you guys bring some paper to making an idea. So in my case, okay, so I wanna have this gesture, and also meaning is love. So just to think about how to make you guys idea, and then wear the gloves. Okay, so wear the gloves, and then draw yourself. So for example, this is the easy to making this interaction. So first, think about what kind of gesture, and then okay, so I wanna make this gesture. Then think about where you want to put the LED. So in my case, I want to put here and there. So when I made this gesture, the LED has to come up from here. So this is the position that where I want to suit my LEDs. So that's all. And basically the basic electronic is that what we are doing today is just battery with LEDs. So basically what we are doing today is just this. So plus connected plus and minus connected minus. So and basic this electronic component, the short leg is the minus and long leg is the plus. So you can making this LED light connect to plus and minus to minus. But then this is not only this connection. We have to embody our body gesture. So have to think about how do we do. So So okay, so I had these two positions to making put the LEDs and then have to connect plus to plus and minus to minus. So draw yourself, okay, then the plus, and then draw the plus and minus. Oh, okay, so here is the plus and minus, and here is the plus and minus, like this. And then to draw yourself, okay, so I have to go minus to minus and plus to plus, but also it has to connect it when I have this gesture. So in my case, I will put the battery here so that it's connected directly in minus, and and then the upper is the plus. So when I touch here, the plus is going to plus here. So just draw like this, and minus to go minus. And then plus to plus. Yes. So that's my so this is my circuit that to draw by myself, and then let's do it. So take the LEDs first, and then sew on your gloves. So in here we need a conductive thread with the needle. So I will use the sewable LEDs today. So let's sew it. And for this session, be careful that to sew the two layers together, because this is two layers, so that it's happened that to connect two layers together. So be careful how to make layers. So here you can see to hold it the coin battery to using this copper tape. So much sharing time today, and hopefully you guys have a productive time, and also have you guys nice body gesture drawing gloves together. So hopefully see you again for the next channel, because I'm preparing the smart textile workshop too. So see you again. Bye.